Good morning. Have you ever woken up feeling sluggish, unmotivated, or simply overwhelmed by the thought of adding one more thing to your packed schedule? Imagine starting your day with a burst of energy, ready to take on whatever comes your way. Today, we're diving into a quick and effective 10-minute workout designed specifically for busy professionals like you. Because staying fit doesn't have to mean sacrificing your valuable time. Why morning workouts matter. Morning workouts are a game changer. They jumpstart your metabolism, improve focus, and release those feel-good endorphins to keep you motivated throughout the day. And the best part? This workout is simple, equipment-free, and fits perfectly into even the busiest of schedules. Warm up. Energize your body. We'll begin with a quick warm-up to get your blood flowing and muscles ready. Let's start with 30 seconds of jumping jacks. Ready? Go. Jumping jacks are fantastic for raising your heart rate and loosening up those stiff muscles from a night's rest. Don't forget to breathe deeply, it's the oxygen that fuels your energy. Number 1. Burpees. Full body power. Our first move is the burpee, a full body exercise that strengthens your arms, legs, and core while boosting cardiovascular endurance. Start with 10 burpees. Here's how. Squat down. Kick your legs back into a plank. Return to the squat, and jump straight up. Don't worry about speed, focus on form. Too intense? Skip the jump and step your legs back instead. Remember, progress over perfection. Number 2. Mountain climbers. Cardio meets core. Next up, mountain climbers. This move combines cardio with core strength, making it incredibly effective. Perform 20 reps, bringing your knees toward your chest one at a time. Keep your back straight, shoulders aligned over your wrists, and move at a steady pace. Number 3. Squat jumps. Boost your power time to work those legs with squat jumps. These are great for your glutes, quads, and hamstrings. Do 15 reps, and remember to land softly to protect your knees. Feeling adventurous? Add a little extra height to your jump for an added challenge. Number 4. Plank hold. Core stability. Planking is a core strengthening classic. Hold a plank for 30 seconds, focusing on keeping a straight line from your shoulders to your heels. Don't forget to engage your glutes and core. This isn't just about holding still, it's about staying strong. Number 5. Jumping lunges. Dynamic lower body workout now. Let's switch it up with jumping lunges. These target your lower body while improving balance and coordination. Perform 10 reps on each leg, landing lightly to avoid strain. Need to modify? Skip the jump and step into a reverse lunge instead. Number 6. Wall sit. Build endurance. Grab a wall for this next move. Slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor and hold for 30 seconds. This isometric exercise builds endurance and strength in your legs and glutes. Number 7. Push-ups. Upper body strength push-ups are a classic for a reason. They work your chest, shoulders, and triceps while engaging your core. Let's do 10 reps. Remember, it's okay to start with knee push-ups if you're building strength. Number 8. Russian twists. Core and obliques. Take a seat for Russian twists. Perform 15 reps on each side to engage your obliques and tone your waistline. For an added challenge, grab a water bottle or lightweight. Number 9. Leg raises. Strength and flexibility. Finally, let's finish with leg raises to strengthen your lower abs. Do 10 reps, lifting your legs slowly and keeping your lower back flat on the ground. This move doubles as a flexibility booster. Cool down. Relax and recover. Congratulations. You've completed our 10-minute workout. Now let's cool down with some static stretches to relax your muscles and prevent soreness. Try leg swings, arm circles, and gentle torso twists. Why consistency matters. Fitness is a journey, not a sprint. Consistency is the secret to lasting results. Set aside 10 minutes each morning, and you'll be amazed at how it transforms your energy, mood, and overall health. If you found this workout helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Join our community for more quick, effective workouts designed to fit your busy lifestyle. Remember, every small step brings you closer to your goals.